finish up uyazi kuhambani.
Like away.
Away, mfethu hamba kanjani machedi? Away, bathini? Ugrand kaze bethu, ibhuli yonke. Bathini bethu, grand no bye. Machedi bethu, grand kaze. Bethu nazo. Siyabonga bethu. Number 1 bafethu, ngicishe ngayitshela ukuthi ngizothola induku bethu. Phela khona bethu ibhuli yokudila. Lo mkhida bethu uqabanga bethu wayenokuvedane abhanke esikoleni eyokhahlela ezinye izintwana zabesiphezulu. Hamba kanjani kodwa mafethu? Bethu, I know I'm all good, bethu. It's a great pleasure, bethu, to have your presence, Machida. We're going on the highest level.
Shout out to you guys for everything else also.
Sure. No, bethu. It is greatness in one room, bethu. We've been seeing you guys, bethu, holding it down. It's funny, ukuthi. Black Cabra, bethu, wale Phoenix, bethu. Lapho sikwama thina currently today. So, aningitshela bafethu ukuthi le greatness engaka, who inspired the whole bethu like movement? Because not only you guys have just become like amaqwela, but you've actually like curated a generation entsha ye-entertainment.
Yeah.
If you don't mind me, so I'm just gonna date back because years ago, like around 2008, Wagner Joes in to the LES, like they were killing like the mainstream music. And then in 2012, 2013, 2014, we saw Poison Parks, to Poison Parks introduced us to all Stilo Makolite. Not only they were a group, but they were like created like a cult thing of a movement where people didn't only listen to their songs, but they also bought their clothes. It was fashion, it was events. So got to see Pini level. So shout out to you guys. So what inspired you guys to know, let's just go on the highest level?
Yeah. Yeah, the whole movement was inspired by the OG Dr. Pep, but you have Dr. Pep.
Sure, Dr. Pep.
Yeah, Dr. Pep was like one of the first OGs to believe in us and believe in our sound, where we were changing the whole trap sound into mixing Zulu and English.
Sure.
But at that time, like, man would say about all of that listen to this, but just trying to make it. Mele bebuzo na phesheya yonke internationally for rapper ngeZulu wesiXhosa.
Sure.
You were like the niggas who wanted to change that, so there's a pepper fuck with that. And also the Zetuze work. At the time I saw the Zetuze work, he was starting to coil it, and boy was like pushing that lingo.
Sure.
And I was one of the only people who were saying coil it at the time. They got to me like being a zero at all.
Sure.
So for us to be like around him and see that new lingo and see how people react, because others see around here and we say phone about the lingo.
Sure.
Not say so not trying to see live or let's post.
Sure.
So we see the reaction, so this thing has power, dog.
Sure.
And the fans started calling us spoilers. They started telling Dr. Prepper when my film on my show would say, oh, pull up with the spoilers.
Sure.
They used to send us like screenshots and say, oh, people are saying I was
You must pull up with the spoilers, showcase.
For me and nobody the conversation would say, oh, let's just be spoilers. This is our way of entering the game. I want the Venezuelans busy like I'm a coil, we might as well, you know what I'm saying?
Sure, you might as well like roll with it.
So yeah, we became coilers. We just the two of us at that time.
Sure.
And yeah, it grew from there.
Sure, shout out. Just to add on Dr. Pepper, just to hand this over to you, Lo-Fi. Dr. Pepper, I know him for plugging a lot of like Devon talent, the likes of Lucas Rap, So how was the reception to you guys directly? Because Mengiz Ula Cabra Shugoti, he's the person that like believed more than anyone. Mhlambe nani one touch one faka endlini yakhe like under his wing, or mhlambe beseni na mhlambe ama headquarters eGolwe by Lan Kempe corner just trying to reach out and make music. Or mhlambe one tata nje fethu wathi hayi ni intwana zami mina I'll look after you.
Nah, khona la sasiphethe khona yabo.
Sure.
Benomndeni bukhona lapha eGoli.
Oh, shout out.
Sihlobo so sifike eGoli sawazi sihlale nabo for lesi sikhashana while we were pushing the music thing.
Sure, sure.
Uphepha yena manje sithola vele siphusha le nto lena. And it just happened ukuthi samteka wabona-ke impahla lena video we posted.
Sure.
And then it was the first big brew esingasho ukuthi yo like yabo umuntu okwi-industry washow love. So we even put up to our first music video as I shoot at Apple.
Sure.
So yeah.
Oh wait, no, shout out, babe. Shout out to Dr. Pepper, babe. So no, we need to give him his flowers as he's still alive, babe. And then, babe, to the quick break, babe, to not only the music, babe, to was like the motion, yeah, boom. It was your fashion taste, it was your style, babe, to the language itself. You got Mategu 2 shoes and to adding also the lingo on the same concept of your craft. So ungasho ukuthi you guys have created a language for your reach or your community.
Yeah.
So who came up with the name, the Quelling name? Yeah, because as much as everyone can just say Quelling, I so wanna know who decided who's no to you're just Quelling, nothing else.
Yeah. For us, the first person you heard saying Quelling was Dr. Pepper, but just sharing research. Whatever too low, don't become like don't delicious, if I'm not wrong.
Sure.
Don't delicious. That nigga about is like from outside of SA, yeah, bro.
Sure.
So when he landed in SA, he wasn't like fluent in English, and he traveled like his home languages only.
Sure.
So we had to find a way to communicate with the Broelas.
Sure.
So it's been like that type of nigga. He's the one who came up with the Broela, all this shit.
Sure.
What is it? All this shit.
Sure.
Just a jiggy nigga.
Sure.
So it's that bro.
Oh, okay. According to the streets, sure. No, I'm better to know. I in the balegi and Jenge like the background of everything because we tend to hold on to ism or essay filterishile.
Yeah.
Things like right now aren't authentic. So I really appreciate you guys taking me through the development of like everything. I really appreciate this opportunity.
Yeah, shout out.
No, I'm better to fast forward in fact to you started seeing new faces in fact to on the movement in fact to the likes of Blue Pop in fact to Young Boy Vegeta like in fact the click is solid nibaningi bafethu yabo lento ngeke ngikwazi ukukeda wonke umuntu yabo ithi mebhola showcase u11 aside ngawushaya nje into eclean ongahluphi futhi ngiyabona ukuthi nini engabe iqimba stars showcase so mfethu the structure ke mfethu who played a role in like deciding ukuthi okay manje we just gonna record as a team and we're gonna be out here pushing the whole concept. Who came up with the now we need to be seen at spaces like this, like the booking, because the entertainment piece is not only it's not only like fame, it is like admin, so it's admin with regards to indaba. Now we need to be booked. Now we need to answer emails. Now we need to show up on TV shows. So who was behind the admin? Did you guys have a manager at that time, or you were just freestyling everything until everything made sense?
I feel like we never had no manager. There was all this shit. There was just our ideas. Like we knew this shit has been done before. Like, the latest crew was TWC.
Sure.
So for me, that was like my mentality. I went back to TWC, just looked at the impact they had, the way they were moving.
Sure.
My headlines, my words. I used to like pull up, turn it deep, all that shit. They used to do interviews. About 20.
Sure. Shout out.
Sure. That's what like we like. So I'm like, if we could do shit like that, like bring back that spark,
showcase
Lento
emotion.
lento sasiyithanda nathi sisayintwana.
Sure.
Give the kids that type of vibe, yabo.
Showcase, shout out.
It's something that abantu abayibalekelayo.
Sure.
I would say no one was behind like our ideas, though. The way it's seen like it, so fully us. No management. Management is just about now. It's more also shit. The brand is becoming bigger. Now we need someone who's gonna tap into the business side while we carry on with the music.
No, it's 100%. And that's a sign of growth, yabo. But ngiyayithanda ke indlela oyisho ngayo ukuthi just went to the previous people who were doing it, yabo. And that's how you got the reading, yabo, because between the libus kwabaphambili, yabo. So the past experiences of groups like the Wrecking Crew, of which they played a very pivotal role in shaping the culture.
Yeah.
The mistake they went through, the new guys, of which I'm not gonna say you the new guys, like you've established yourself, but the people coming before them, they need to also learn what went wrong. Yeah, but the smartest person doesn't have to learn from their mistakes; they learn from other people's mistakes.
Yes.
So currently, right now, like up, ngishilo uthi ngisangena, ngifana sebakhulu, ngishile ngisangena ukuthi bethu uzotetela Mr. Bull, yabo leyo. So what inspired bethu your gimmick, yabo, like your gimmick ukuthi bethu Mr. Bull, yabo. What inspired that bethu ukuze uzofika ukuthi decide ukuthi now your album you're gonna roll it out as Mr. Bull? Is it something that reflects back to ekhuleni kwakho, or it's just like a name that just you decided to have it? Let me just use this one. So what inspired the name of the project that you're gonna be releasing on Friday?
Yeah. Now the name Bully has nothing to do with my personality or like my childhood. It's all about the music.
Sure.
When we first landed there in Joe's with Lo-Fi, one of the first songs we brought to Kamala, what we pulled.
Sure.
So that's how.
Sure.
That's how everything started. That was my song featuring Lo-Fi.
Sure.
So that was like a young introduction. Also, Bantu was oh shit, the whole of Bantu because that song had a little bit of motion on SoundCloud.
Sure.
So from that time, the band over comment with the Bully. Every time I post Bully.
Sure.
I was like, I like this, I'm the Bully.
Sure.
From there, I just ran with it until this day, and I saw would say people like it. The more I involve it, the more about
the band they associate it.
They do see me as the Bully. So
Sure. Ngiyangibona na kuma comment mfethu ngidane kusho inkomo ke. Kusho inkunzi esesibayeni yabo lona. So if I can take it to you Lo-Fi for mfethu. Angifuna uqamba manga mfethu. Your signature mfethu in every song mfethu, it is evident ukuthi music you have like that strong background mfethu. So growing up ekhaya mfethu or noma endaweni obuhlala kuyona, who did you grow up listening to, and who I can say which I know your sound is inspired by this person?
Yo, ngithatha kadani ubuyisele primary.
Sure.
Sasinamalokhuzana ithama ngama-CD ama-DVD eWestlife, Whitney Houston, Michael Jackson.
Sure.
So kwakuyingoma kanjalo isikhathi esiningi.
Westlife uyazi nengoma yakuncane noma ethi imendi.
Isini?
Imendi khona ingoma Westlife bese kuthi imendi la ngoma engibulala. Ngiyaxolisa abafazi. Sure. Bese mina. Bese ngiyapimba baba bese ngiyapimba. Bese ukuphazamisa baba.
Lapha kukhona kanjalo kablam, and sometimes jazz music, sometimes umaskandi. So abazali bese ngidlala ingoma enganjalo, especially on Sundays, all these. Ingoma R&B akudala nje.
Sure.
Okunye izinto engayithembile kuzona mina. Kanti hip hop kakhulukazi. Ngicala sengena on-STC or ABC ngebhali.
Showcase.
That's when I started actually, tapping into hip hop.
Sure.
The sound, yeah.
But that's dope, so Speaking of like one of the two goals to Uris Nae to Unesty C, like those guys have played a very pivotal role in like the formation of the hip hop scene, babe. And currently right now, babe, to Ute Ula Cup and babe, a drop of it to check list, yeah, Mr. Boy. I was so amazed babe, to see both of them on your project. So if you can take me through Uti, how did that come about to for you to be with like the people that we grew up listening to, yeah, boy. How does it feel for you, Uti? Teach you spec, I'm sure when it got released in 2014, 15, at that time was such a scale. Yeah, boy. One day we're gonna reach time whereby we meet our heroes. Yeah, so for you to be in a song with Nasty and Reese there too. So how does it feel for you, bro?
It was super crazy. I'm cold up it, I'm cold because it was all a dream,
Sure.
And now it's happening. So it shows that I'm able to inspire so many kids who it's possible, like your actual dream, because this was my dream, because my first album, I want my album to be like this,
Sure.
and sometimes you gotta compromise, sometimes the artist won't fuck with you,
Sure.
You won't be able to make that call or text that name and be able to say, I need you on a song.
Sure.
But I was able to be blessed, and able to the blues fuck with me. I was dance to work with me,
Sure.
So I feel very blessed to this. It's got something coming, like a motherfucker.
Sure. No, but it's a great one, Page. It's a great one because in Zealand, not all of us like get to live our dreams, and for you to do it compared to Ukula Phoenix, I'm quite aware of upbringing there compared to it was like solely with umaskandi, you can tell by the drip of it, you can tell by how you guys like present yourself of it. So ubani when I'm to hotel Monkula kumaskandi vethu wamvuma in such a way that one day you just currently like doing music manje mothi umbuka uthi hafethu no sengifikile kuleli izinga lalomjeni.
Right now,
sure.
Sengifile everything I like.
Sure.
Akekho. No, mina engakhula ngumlondolo ngibuya kuyena. Ipo malakhe umdekhathele buye khuleni umgomeni.
Awutaki ungafiki ipo.
Yo, lelazinga licrazy.
Sure.
What?
Sure.
So I grew up like umgomeni omningi kakhulu ngalendlela le unnecessary.
Sure.
So I was so young to be that Zulu.
Sure.
And I realized at some point I shied away from the fact I'm always in front of my scan because he has had ninja and I'm a location.
Sure.
So what
Sure.
was scan that's umkhaya.
Umkhaya man. Sure.
So I was playing on the own and I tried to run away from the Mustang.
Sure.
At some point I just realized this now, man, fuck it.
Yeah, boy, you gotta go back to your to your origins, sure. Sure.
This guy is different.
Sure.
Where is this motherfucker from?
Sure.
Shit like that.
No, that's not kubalulekile to be true to your craft in bed. And I don't wanna lie, no one can actually justify it more than you guys because the way you've been close to the most authentic, like creative usijava mfethu yabo nifike bethu nafike nabaphasi komhlane nembeleko egaming yabo lonto naba nobuchopho obujule ngendlela that is beyond like almost everyone. Not someone who's only recognized locally, but internationally. That guy holds a B team. He has a verse on one of like the biggest biggest to like albums produced under Marvel. Yabo, like to the Black Panther was the most streamed soundtrack album under Marvel. Yabo, so that guy he laced a super verse. A lot of people were thinking Woods Java would penetrate yes ngoba siyamazi but what he did sanibona nezweni eshe yabo. So for you to speak about authenticity and ukuthi you gotta be true, it is evidence ukuthi unemento eyenza lento bethu engathi ukudla ama conflicts. So how has it been for you, Jansi, to be like close to Java, and how has it like stretched your level of reachability? Not only the sky is the limit, but you can go beyond. Yabo, ukudlala indima enjani ukuba noSjava next to your upcoming?
You played a crazy role. Abona even now lento esho ukuba authentic ithanda isinto. I'm actually bringing usilethe lento esenzayo umculo.
Sure.
Saqala ngazi ibona ukuthi lo muntu ona how come yabo uthi ngafela ukuthi ashaye lengeza ayishayayo and then awuperforma umculo kanje lapha ebantwini. You thought kanjani ukuthi ithathe into kanjalo and bring it into hip hop and make it ngathi ibe appealing to amehlo youth.
Sure.
Uqhamuka nayo le imithelo nathawula.
Sure.
Ngoba Omega nazo.
Sure.
And also le nto ukuthi ungasabi like ucula nje ngezizila kunankinga.
Right.
You don't have to try ingoma nje ezizwe.
Sure.
Yeah, awazi ukuthi try ingoma ngezizila. So yeah.
Right. uSjava mfethu not only ukuthi umuntu ogcina ngokuthi hayi mfethu nimbuke nim-acknowledge noma mase eyanixhushise when passing ngesestage. How does it feel mfethu to be like ngangizwe mfethu the interview you had with Thibo Taki mfethu lapho was driving ntambama wo past 5. Hey, lento enayenza mfethu on that day on that interview, hey mfethu, it drove me crazy mfethu. I don't wanna lie. So i-presence alwamjida mfethu injani mfethu, because uyibona lento ukuthi angimqhathanisi nomhlonishwa wasephambi wasekuhleni ubaba uSheva, but ngisho ukuthi lwamjida mfethu ngathi unaleya like aura mfethu yabo. So how does it feel mfethu to be in the same room, the same studio, your songs with the brew mfethu? Ngicabela mfethu.
Oh, it's a blessing, dog. Izinto eziningi ebesingazazi sayifunda kuye nakhona engasifundisi just for ukuthi thina sibe around yena yabo. Sibona indlela ayenza ngayo izinto, indlela amuva ngayo. So got to understand ukuthi actually sila ngaqhaza contextual ukuthi yabo before try OG. Ngabe typical artist celebrity. Shayza ngibingele movie la. Sure. Masana la umuntu bese like yo ubele laqala manje roomini. Abingelele wena uxaye ukuthi awe esu ngoba uwomkhulu lana waye yabo. Bathi kulithoba nje kakhulu ukufunda wewe. And njengoba around yena bese yeah ngoba ukuthi kuyisibusiso ufunda into eziningi every day pheze enento azoyisho ezohlala engqondweni actually is useful yabo in the future.
Sure. Yeah. No mfethu, ufuna ukuthayisisa lapho ubhuti omdala.
But some men don't know fire. That was very respectful. Funny function scene at the indlela asitisa ngayo ngasikhombisa ukuthi nathi nesibe nokunye. That's why abantu esisananga laba abasithandayo bayasazi njani.
Sure.
Never get to meet us. ubomangala na uthi apolo kubaluleke sanje
Exactly.
abantu bethu uthi lento le umculo
Sure. And you also like always need to be tapped into to your audience, yeah, because I think it like it is like true team. You cannot fail to be like away from your audience, yeah, social media has made like this thing so easy, yeah, ngasho banje mfethu uZamani Mbatha the actor wawumgcina ku TV but manje usuyakwazi nokumlandela on social media and actually get to connect, yabo. So esikhathini samanje kubalekile ukuthi ungayi personify lento yokuba mkhulu, yabo. Just be humble as you are, because mfethu abantu bebeshintsha kudala ukuthi hayi no manje sekumele ngikhukhumale ke manje, yabo. Lonto ayifuneki lonto mfethu, yabo. Lonto no mfethu kumusa siyabonga. So currently right now mfethu Lo Fire, you gave us isala kanje, yabo. I don't wanna lie, that's like my most favorite song kunyaka nje mfethu uqalile, yabo. Lonto mfethu we've been also using it on the reels that we've been doing here at the bar, yabo. So isala kanje mfethu hayi mfethu iyahlanya. So wakwenze njani, what inspired the concept of it? Yeah, that couple, I'm sorry for that. Okay.
And the whole concept was just ukubhala umlando through ingoma.
Okay.
Umlando amaqolo ngoba ngimusic amaqolo abhala emlandweni. That's me like claiming that shit. I was saying it out there. Ngifana emakhanda abantu so. This is what's happening right now. Iphuma khona. Ngosala futhi kanjani, it's cool.
Okay.
And I mentioned all the blues on the first verse.
Sure.
Umlando nakho lo futhi able to tap in on amaqolo even when we're gone,
Sure.
Ngoba kuwena ulalela uthi lokho nomabulala amaqolo.
Sure.
Oh, was you still on the status with bloom or it's that type of vibe.
No, mfethu, no, I feel you because mfethu la ngoma mfethu iyagijima and no lokuyile bro. Lokuyile, but everybody was like saying it's gonna be a banger song until you drop the mfethu Iphalendiyo mfethu, yabo. Lona Iphalendiyo mfethu khuleka ke like mfethu it's classic, yabo, because from the first concept ukuthi like Iphalendiyo like is the most like controversial individual like troll in the music, in like the soccer scene, yabo. So for you to just claim that, you're literally saying ukuthi wena umphethe gaming, yabo. Lonto mfethu. Sure. So the arrogance mfethu, like the confidence, yabo, it speaks volume mfethu. And trust me, I'm so excited of your rollout, and your project is gonna do amazing because the way you just delivered it, mfethu. Hey mfethu, no one mfethu doesn't want to hear the full project right now. So what inspired the Iphalendiyo mfethu, yabo?
Iphalendiyo was definitely inspired by Ibola overall. Now ukuthi iyo leyo, that's like the most valuable tool in soccer. Umuntu owina Iphalendiyo in that year, that means like
He's the best.
Sure.
So are you a Messi or Ronaldo fan?
Both.
You can't be both.
I have things I like about Messi and I have things I like about Ronaldo.
Sure.
That's how I operate. I won't just choose one. I just take what I can take
from both. Sure.
Each brew,
Sure. So now you're telling me about you being the Osman currently because you're now Opeti Iphalendiyo. Sure.
And that's just me, you know what I'm saying? Also pushing in the confidence, umuntu othanda abantu bebe confident.
Sure.
I can't be many kuphula mina ngithi I'm the best. That was calling any shots apart.
Sure.
I want you to say the same thing. I want you to sing those lyrics and feel like you're talking about yourself.
Sure.
motion angitshela be on
Sure, sure.
hayi ukuthi
hayi ukuthi mhlambe wena wedwa
khona
yabo.
umuntu ophendezelwa noma umuntu mayelalele kumele cabanga ukuthi laqhasha
Sure.
so yabo nawe motivateka we-MVP
Sure, most definitely, mfethu. Most definitely, mfethu. So I know that amajita mfethu, like mfethu, the artists, the creative, mfethu ahlezi ephethe ukudla bethu kwendlela yabo lona. Yabo. So I know ukuthi currently right now you dropping mfethu Mr. Bully on Friday, yabo. But I'm so excited to know ukuthi unyaka mfethu ukuphatheleni. What do you want to roll out? And I'll also hand it to you, Lofa Masqeda Ngolaka.
yeah for the rest of the year I'm gonna be focusing on the album, obviously just pushing the album, making sure that I do justice for I shoot enough videos, I just do everything I need to do, but I'm gonna be doing a tour also.
Sure.
I'm gonna be doing a performance album around the country.
Showcase.
So that's something I really wanna do. Yeah, abantu belindele kakhulu bathenga bathi loqhamuke.
No, shout out. Showcase Mabula.
Mission Man.
Hi, okay. Better Naibula, lo muntu man. Showcase.
Ihlezi isiplotha nalomjita ngoba so izinto ezicishe ifane isikhathini esiningi ngoba ama-idea hlezi izindawonye abantu betha lezi zinto lezi.
Sure.
Mashala ama-album kabi nanto emeyilandela.
Sure.
Lesi ama-shoot, ama-shows and what not. Yena ishana ngoba esho uzoshaya i-tour. Amos ushana vele shaya into like theatre music yabo.
Sure.
Bona lama-tour like. Shaya with theatre. Just try to put that motion and grow.
Okay.
So yeah.
But no, that's dope, face. That's dope because Mission Man, Yo, so much. Sure. Mission Man, sure. Best get there's a video of ours, so that's kindly pushing, yabo. Konumchita, some kunda, some debutizi, yabo. He video has sense soundtrack Mission Man.
Oh shit.
Like Ubone, social media, it has like a lot of people from different markets. So people are like, what's the song? The title of the song? Because now that's when you like editing the video, you're trying to catch a transition. You just trying to edit it. Shout out. Shout out to Fair. So today, you're gonna be doing a listening session at Montage Com. I'm just gonna give you the honors, good thing. Just roll me with it, like how do you want people to receive it, yabo? And what's the whole like initiative behind it?
Listening session, not really that deep, you know what I'm saying? There's something, it's another dream come true, something I wish to do. When I'm dropping my first album, to do a listening session back home.
Sure.
Then living with the tour, I have to do something like I have to host something like so it's just one of those things that I thought about. It's now I have to do this.
Sure.
It's not so yeah, it's not about anything really. And about my team every time we do something. So.
Sure. Yeah, they always brought from Quelfontaine, yo. It's always fire, it's always fire,
Yeah.
No, it is with great pleasure for you to bless us with the presence, as I mentioned earlier. We're gonna hand you two performances usinike mfethu umfutho ukuthi sikwazi le album esesiqalile ukuyilalela ngenhliziyo uyabo sikwazi ukuthi siyilungele nasendlebeni. So I'd like you to take me to like the two songs that you're going to do and ngicelele mfethu kumabulala ukuthi mfethu akwazi bese sasishayele noma Mission Man mfethu ulane kunyiwe mfethu ayibona leyo nto mfethu.
Yeah, man. I think I'm gonna do the two lead singers.
Two lead singles.
Yeah. Because they already out.
Sure, sure.
So push on them.
Sure. Shout out.
Yeah.
Oh man, now let's go for fetch. But some machita get to they actually done upon a to some to it's a wrap to the dwellers in the house to spong a cooler the opportunity gents. I bet we're gonna head over to the biggest the biggest performance.
Biggest go in.
Shout out.